Weather and seasons, how to talk about the day outside. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Mr. Steve English.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a very important topic, a topic you use every day, even when you don't think about it.
Oh yes, today we talk about the weather.
Exactly, weather and seasons, how to talk about the day outside.
Steve, why is this topic so important?
Great question, Clara, because every conversation starts with the weather.
That's true. When I meet someone, I say, "Oh, it's hot today," or "nice weather."
Exactly, simple English, real English, daily English.
So today, we help you speak like a real English speaker.
Yes, and remember, no translation. We learn English in English.
Let's go step by step. Easy, fun, natural.
Before we start, quick reminder. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments, I am learning English every day.
Let's begin.
Vocabulary deep dive. Let's start with simple words. Repeat after me. Weather.
Weather.
Weather means what is happening outside. Sun, rain, wind. Sun.
Sun.
The sun is bright. The sun is hot.
Today, the sun is strong.
Rain.
Rain.
Rain is water from the sky.
I don't like rain. I get wet.
Cloud.
Cloud.
Clouds are in the sky, white or gray. Wind.
Wind.
Wind is moving air.
Oh, sometimes very strong.
Temperature. Hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Cold.
Warm.
Warm.
Cool.
Cool.
Let's practice. It is hot.
It is hot.
It is cold.
It is cold.
It is warm.
It is warm.
It is cool.
It is cool.
Repeat, repeat, repeat. Common expressions. It is raining.
It is raining.
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is cloudy.
It is cloudy.
Now, seasons. Spring.
Spring.
Summer.
Summer.
Autumn or fall.
Autumn. Fall.
Winter.
Winter.
Spring equals flowers grow. Summer equals hot. Autumn equals leaves fall. Winter equals cold.
So simple, so clear.
Real life scenario. Let's imagine a situation. You meet a friend outside.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Clara. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Wow, it is very hot today.
Yes, it is very hot. The sun is strong.
Do you like this weather?
Not really. I prefer cool weather.
Oh, really? I love summer.
Why?
Because I like the sun, the beach, and ice cream.
That's a good point.
What about winter?
Winter is very cold. I wear a jacket.
Yes, me too.
Now repeat. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
The story of a friend. Let me tell you a story. This is the story of Sarah.
Oh, I love stories.
Sarah lives in a small city. Every morning, she looks outside. One day, it is raining.
Oh no.
She says, "It is raining. I need an umbrella."
What is umbrella, Steve?
Good question. An umbrella protects you from rain. The next day, it is sunny.
Sarah says, "Wow, beautiful weather." She wears sunglasses.
Nice. In winter, Sarah feels cold. She says, "I am cold."
Simple and clear.
In summer, she says, "I am hot. I need water."
So she talks about the weather every day.
Exactly, like you should. Grammar Spotlight. Now, grammar time. Easy grammar. We use it is. It is hot. It is cold. It is raining.
Always it is?
Yes, for weather we say it. Repeat. It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is windy.
It is windy.
It is cloudy.
It is cloudy. So we don't say I am sunny.
No, Clara, that is funny. We say I am cold, feeling. It is cold, weather.
Ah, I understand.
Now, training time. Speak with us. It is hot.
It is hot.
Your turn. It is raining.
It is raining.
Your turn. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
Your turn. Train your mouth muscles.
Yes, speak out loud.
You did an amazing job today.
Yes, you learned real English.
Here's your secret tip. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done.
Small steps every day.
Now tell us in the comments, what is the weather like today in your city?
We want to read your answers.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
You can speak English.
don't forget to like
Share
and subscribe
to our channel.
for more English lessons.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.